Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with Windows 11 black screen, boot loop and endless loading problems, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. If it was just about a black screen, I would have suggested updating the drivers. But if you are facing multiple issues, including boot loops and loading issues, then here's one thing. All you can try is to recover the system. If it doesn't help, then reset it. So, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Okay, select open system restore, click on next, select a go to restore point, next, and click on finish, and then click on yes to initiate the process. And as for a system restore, right click on the start button and select settings, go to system, search for recovery in the Windows search bar, select reset PC, remove everything, select cloud download, and then click on next to initiate the process. Now, why am I sticking to these two solutions, and why are others suggesting other solutions? Because that will end up wasting your time. I know that this situation is very difficult to resolve. It is a very serious problem. So you will have to reset your PC eventually if a system restore does not help. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.